Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I'm here with the first update for my 2020 Project Pan. This year I'm doing, once again, the Team Project Pan that was started by Kat and Hailey from Beauty News. And what it is a full year rolling Project Pan. You pick out an item of makeup from each different category, so like a foundation, a blush, a mascara, and as you use up an item, you replace it with a similar item. So I did this last year, it was a lot of fun, and I wanted to do it for 2020 as well. So I'll get started. So I usually start off by going over everything I used up during the month and introducing the replacement items. For this past month, for January, I didn't actually use up anything, so I will just go straight into my updates on progress. So the first item I have is a primer. This is the Benefit POREfessional. It is like a deluxe size. So I have the like air squeezed out of the packaging. So you can see I just have a little bit left. And for my like squeezy tube type packaging, I do often cut into the packaging just so I can get all of the product. So I'm still able to squeeze out the product. I just have a little left. I will cut into the packaging. So we'll see. I don't think I have very much left. Possibly by the next update, I could have this finished, but it might just depend. But I'm pretty close with this one, and I am using this primer every single day. So making good progress on that. The next item is foundation. This is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. Now I have cut into this, you can see. So I'm very close to having this finished off, but there is some product still at the bottom. You can see where like the pump is, and then the product kind of around the bottom. So I'm using a brush to get the rest of the product out. This is definitely though a product I will have finished by the next update. Super close to having this finished off. So that's the foundation. Next I have my concealer. This is the Urban Decay Stay Naked Correcting Concealer. I got this towards the end of 2019. So I haven't been using it for that long, but I do use the concealer every single day. I also use the foundation every single day, just a staple in my routine. But at this point, you can't really see any progress with it, but I am using it quite a bit. But concealers, they take me quite a few months to get through, so I won't anticipate seeing progress on this, like visible progress, for quite a few months, but I am using this very consistently. So that's the concealer. Next I have a setting powder. This is also from Too Faced, also in the Peach Perfect line. This is the Mattifying Loose Setting Powder. And again, with all my like base, like concealer, powder, foundation type products, I do use them every single day. So this is another item that I am using every day. And I try to tap down the product to the bottom of the packaging so you can kind of see where I'm at. So I'm kind of at the like expiration little jar, the 12 months little symbol. So I don't have a ton of this left. And even though I do use this every day, you just use a little bit at a time. So I'm slowly working through this, but I was panning this one last year as well. And every update I was able to see progress with it. So I would say it's still gonna be a few more months of use with this, but I am happy to continue to make progress on this. So this is where I'm at with this product. Next, I have my setting spray. Technically, it's like a primer, but I use it more as a setting spray. But this is from Smashbox. It's the Photo Finish Primer Water. Now, I did just spray this on my face, so it did create some bubbles, but I did mark it before I used it. So you can see the mark. And I was using this last year as well, so I have marks from last year's panning it. So you can kind of see my progress, the mark above versus this one. So I try to use this every day. I do forget sometimes, or if I'm in a hurry, I might skip this step, but I really am trying to make an effort to use it every day. But I don't know, I feel like I just don't go through like setting sprays that quickly, even if I am using it every day. It's not something I'm like reapplying throughout the day or anything, so maybe if I was doing that, I would get through it faster, but I'm just happy with using it like when I apply my makeup in the morning. So that's where I am with this. This is definitely a product it's going to take me months to finish up, but I do think I can have it finished up sometime in 2020. But that's where I am with this. Next, I have my blush. It's from Hourglass. It's the Ambient Lighting Blush in the color Mood Exposure. So that's what it looks like. Now, I know how long it takes to use up a blush. Last year, I used up the Tarte blush in Expose, and that took me over a year to finish off. And I think I was even starting that one with like Pan Hit. So it just takes a very long time. But I have, again, been using this every day. I just want to get very good use out of it, even if I don't finish it off this year. But yeah, I am not making visible progress with it, but I am using it and reaching for it every day. So I'm happy with that. That's the blush. Next, I have my highlighter. It's from the Balm. It's the Mary Luminizer. It's just a little like deluxe size. It even looks like an eyeshadow size. Now, blush I use every day. Highlighter I don't. I need to maybe be better about using it more often, but I just don't reach for highlighter every day. So I thought this size would be something I could possibly use up versus like a more, a larger highlighter. But at this point, I don't really show any visible progress. I think I need to make a point of using it more often. But yeah, that's where I am with this. Then I have a finishing powder, also from Hourglass. This is the Ambient Lighting Powder in the shade Ethereal Light. This is something I was using last year as well. So you can see I've hit major pan on it. But this product I don't need to use a lot of the time. So I'm slowly working through it. I think I can use it up this year. I do use this every day as well. I really like using it with the blush because the blush is a little like pigmented and intense. So this just tones it down a little bit. So I do like sweeping it across like my face after I've applied my blush. But slowly working through this one, but I am getting consistent use out of this product. Now I have some eye products. So I have my eyeshadow primer. It's the NARS Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. So I have taken the stopper out of this. You can't really see, but I can look into the tube and there's a lot of product on the sides that I can now get to in the bottom. So once I take out the stopper, there still is quite a bit of use left in this product. So I would anticipate that this would take me several more months to get through. Now I do wear eyeshadow every day and I wear this every time I wear eyeshadow, so I am using this every day. It's just, you're only going to use so much, you know, your eyelids are only so big, so it's not something that I'm like reapplying throughout the day or anything. I mean, I am just using it like once a day, but it's going to just be something I kind of slowly work through, but that's where I am with this. Then I have my eyeshadow. So I have just a single eyeshadow I'm trying to work through. This is the Urban Decay eyeshadow in Sin. I am wearing it today. I have hit pan on it and the pan has expanded. This isn't something I'm using every day. I kind of go between using this or using my Naked 2 Basics palette like for work, and then on the weekends I might do something a little bit more like dramatic or like a darker eyeshadow look. But I want to be using this just like maybe 2 or 3 times a week. I don't want to have it be something I'm using every day. I don't want to get like sick of it, but I want to be reaching for it quite a bit. But that's where I am with this one. So hopefully over my updates, the pan will just continue to expand and we can see the progress with it. But that's where I am currently. Then I have my eyeliner, also from Urban Decay. This is the 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Desperation. I do have a little post-it to mark my progress with this, and if you can see, I just have one line on the post-it, so that's where I was starting with this. So I really didn't make progress on this over the past month. I'm just not a big eyeliner person, and I kind of forget to reach for this. There's a few things, I would say like the highlighter and this specifically, that I kind of don't reach for on a daily basis. So I feel like I need to have like a basket of my Project Pan items just so I see them, or especially the stuff that I kind of forget about. I am wearing this today, but I just need to get better at just incorporating it into my daily routine. So not a bunch of progress there, but I do want to focus on this one some more. Next, I have my mascara. It's the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. I know I've said for the past few months that I should like be done with this, but it still applies well. So I'm gonna try to get like another month out of this one. I really do like it, and it is a full-size mascara, so there's a lot of product there. So I'm still using this one as long as it applies nicely, but at some point I will have to retire this mascara, but still working on that. The mascara is something I do use every single day, and that's my only open mascara currently. Then I have some brow products. I have the Benefit Gimme Brow. This adds a little bit of color to my brows. And this one, I get a good application on the wand still. Not really sure how long this one is really supposed to last, but as long as I'm still getting a good application with it, I'm still gonna just keep using this one. So that's that product. I feel like a few more months of use with this one. Then I have my clear brow gel. This is the Benefit 24 Brow Setter. I used up one of these last year and it took me the whole year, so I feel like this will be one I probably have around for most of the year at least. But this is another product. Both of the brow products I do use every day as well. Next I have some lip products. So I have a lipstick. This is from Kiko. This is the lipstick. It's in the shade Natural Rose. And I do have a post-it note for this one. I do measure it from the highest point of the lipstick, which when I've used up lipsticks before, I'm always like wondering if that's the most accurate because I'm feeling like I probably am wearing more down like the lower end of lipstick. But anyway, you can see from when I started to this time, I made a little bit of progress. I am trying to wear this every day. Now I will admit there's been some days when I probably have forgotten, but I feel like it's a good color. I'm wearing it right now, but it's a good color for me to wear to work, just so I can incorporate it into my everyday makeup routine. So I just need to make a point to remember to use this every single day so I can get through it. But that's the lipstick. And then I also have a lip gloss, and this is from Bite Beauty. It's the French Press lip gloss in the shade Flat White. Now this is one of the items I kind of forgot about when I was gathering up all my items to film this video. I was like, oh yeah, I forgot that this was in the project. So this is another item that I should probably have in like a basket or something like right in front of me in my bathroom where I apply my makeup, so I just remember to reach for every day. I do like applying this with the lipstick. I just need to be better about using this every day, using it consistently. So not a ton of progress on this one. I have used it a handful of times, but not like super consistently with the lip gloss. And then I have a lip balm. This is the Fresh Sugar Lip Caramel. So I've used up a good amount of it. This is the only clear lip balm that I have currently with my all of my makeup when I apply it in the morning. So I am using this every day. And yeah, I feel like it might take me a few more months to get through the rest of it, but I am making good progress on the lip balm. So those are all the makeup items, and I do have some non-makeup items in this project, so I'll go over those quickly. So for non-makeup items, I have a hand cream. This is the Crabtree and Evelyn Ultra Moisturizing Hand Therapy in the scent Somerset Meadow. I don't have it marked or anything, so I can't really compare it to last time, but I've been really trying to make an effort to use my hand creams. I have 3 currently going, so I kind of alternate between the 3 or have them in different locations. But yeah, I'm happy with my progress with this one. I just need to be continuing to focus on using my hand creams, and my hands have been dry, now that's winter time, so it's the perfect time to be using hand creams. But that's where I'm with this one. This one should take me, I would say, a month or 2 to get through the rest of it. I don't have a ton of it left. Then I have my fragrance, and for my fragrance I have 2 different ones. They're both from Elizabeth and James. They're the Nirvana white and black fragrances. So I've had these both in my collection the same amount of time, and I like both of them, and you can mix them together or wear one or the other. The only thing with these is it's not good for a project like that because I can't tell, I can't see through the packaging, so I can't tell where I'm at with these items. But I do have these as my main perfumes and the main ones that I'm using. So we'll see how long it takes me to get through these. And with these, I'm not trying to get through them as fast as possible, but hopefully by the end of the year I can get through these. But those are the fragrances. Next I have my body care product, and what I have is from Bath & Body Works. It's the Twisted Peppermint Body Butter. So this is where I'm at with the body butter. You can see I don't have a ton of it left. I have been using this pretty consistently throughout the month of January, pretty much every day I've been using it, after I shower. And I feel like this is something I can have finished. by the next update by the end of February. So that's where I am with the body care product. Then I have a skincare product, and for that I have another item from Bite. It's the Agave lip scrub, and with this one I have to be honest, I probably only used it like once or twice. I kind of forgot about this item, so it looks pretty full. I just need to be better about using lip scrub. When I was using up, it was one from Fresh Sugar Lip Scrub. I had like a post-it so I could remember like which days of the week to use it, so I just could use it really consistently. So I think I need to do that with this one because I'm just kind of forgetting about it. So need to be just remembering to use this consistently, otherwise I'm never going to get through it. And then finally I have a hair care product. This is from Garnier Fructis. It's the Sleek Shot in shower styler. So I normally shower at night, wash my hair at night, but whenever I wash my hair in the morning, I do try to use this product. So you're supposed to like mix it with your shampoo, and then it's supposed to help like style your hair. So I only feel like it's worth using like in the morning versus like at night. So I've used it a handful of times, and I'm not trying to get through this like super quickly, but I feel like if I just use it every time I shower in the morning, I should be able to get through it in like a few months. So that is that. So that is my update. I feel like by the next update, hopefully I have the foundation finished. I feel like that won't be that difficult. And also the body butter, I would be happy to have those two products finished off. I know I don't have anything finished for this first update, but I feel like sometimes it takes a few months into the project to start finishing stuff off. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.